The bones that make up the arm are shaped like this. We have essentially the humerus, the radius, and the ulna. Okay, so the humerus is your upper arm, and the radius and the ulna are both on your lower arm. The humerus comes in contact with the scapula and the clavicle. Okay, so the humerus is a long bone with a ball on the end of it, which inserts into a space that's formed by the triangle of your clavicle and a flat plane on the end of the clavicle. At the far end of the humerus is a thing that's shaped like that. And I like to think of it kind of like a lawnmower, except it has a ball at the end of it. One of those old push lawnmowers. See, the grass behind it got short. And then what you get is you move into two bones in the forearm. One of them is the elbow bone. It's the ulna. And it connects through in a way it's bigger up here, and it has a radiating head there. And then as you come down to the wrist, the radius then grows large, and the ulna becomes very small. So those two switch over on each other. One idea that people use when they draw this is it's like this. This is a side view of this. And the ulna comes out in a point and over like that, keeping just that point. So no matter how the arm is organized, as having that point, and that point is the elbow. So the radius, the little guy up here, ends up in contact with the thumb side, and the ulna ends up in contact with the pinky side. So the part that has the elbow, that goes to the elbow, goes to the pinky. That's really important. So, and then the last thing that you really need to know is that when this is palm up, when it's palm down, what happens is this bone radiates and it comes over to the other side. So you end up like this. The ulna stays put, but the radius turns like that, and then your thumb will end up here. Sorry, I kind of ran out of space. the other thing is that on the back, if you were to look at this from the back, a lot of times there's this sense of there being a triangle here. And that's part of the ulna. And remember, no matter what side you're on, the ulna is associated with the pinky. So that's going to be our thumb. And that's our pinky.